Keep everyone informed, included, and inspired with Microsoft Viva. Build meaningful engagement between employees and stay on top of what's happening in a new home experience that brings together news, action items, and information from other Viva apps and services into a single personalized company app. Engage in communities and conversations that make it easy to join the discussion. Share your perspective. Exchange ideas. Ask questions. Get answers. And find belonging at work. As a leader, you can even use Viva to streamline your communications with targeted campaigns, easy publishing, and rich dashboards that help you land and measure your message. Improve productivity and well-being with actionable insights from Microsoft Viva. Using workplace analytics and employee feedback, managers and leaders can understand which programs are working and prioritize opportunities to focus on. In addition to getting feedback from organization-wide surveys, managers can now see quick, ongoing input on their team's experience with research-backed templates designed to drive team success. Augment insights about how people feel with an understanding of how they work. And transform data into action for lasting impact, helping you set up team plans to foster healthy work habits. Align people's work to team and organization goals with Microsoft Viva. Viva brings goals into the flow of everyday work through interactions in the tools people are already using, so they can stay focused on what matters. For everyone from individual contributors to organization leaders, Viva is a central hub for accessing and updating objectives, checking in on progress, and seeing a shared view of team priorities. With one place for end-to-end goal setting, people can share their objectives and key results for OKR management. Accelerate adoption by making approvals, workflows, and check-ins a seamless process. With Viva, your organization can create purpose-driven teams that achieve results. Help employees learn, grow, and succeed with Microsoft Viva. Viva delivers the information, answers, and learning your employees need exactly when they need it. With AI-structured and expert-refined topics that surface throughout the workday, Viva brings essential knowledge to employees without having to search. Personalized learning experiences and upskilling resources speed personal and professional growth. And social learning tools facilitate a learning culture. Responses to frequently asked questions unblock people in need of a quick answer, all within the flow of work. Boost employee productivity with role-based tools from Microsoft Viva. Viva brings the resources your employees need right to where they're already working. No more relying on memory or copying and pasting from email. Get context and connect with colleagues without missing a beat. Real-time conversation insights guide calls. And automatic call summaries and action item lists capture what was discussed, making next steps easy. Sentiment analysis and conversation KPIs help everyone learn and grow. Simplify work so employees can focus on what matters most with Microsoft Viva. Viva's fully branded home experience makes navigation easy, seamlessly connecting people to the apps and services they need, and surfacing the most relevant news and information personalized for them. Briefing emails give everyone a daily summary of what's important. Actionable recommendations help employees protect time, catch up with emails and meetings, and take daily breaks. By summarizing all the details in one place, Viva facilitates connections between colleagues. Employees can quickly find and connect with company experts while understanding their priorities and bandwidth. The Viva Answers Hub uses AI to simplify the knowledge-gathering process, delivering the answers people need when they need them. Employees can also crowdsource and share organizational knowledge. Knowledge sharing recognizes and highlights people's work experiences and helps them get rewarded. Microsoft Viva empowers people and teams to be their best.